Hello, this is Laz from Native Instruments. In this series of videos, we'll show you how to integrate the Maschine Plus into your setup. Let's get started. In this video, we will show you how to add a MIDI keyboard to your setup by connecting it to your Maschine Plus. This will allow you to control instruments loaded in your Maschine Plus. First, let's connect a MIDI keyboard to the Maschine Plus. In this example, we're using the KOMPLETE KONTROL M32, but this would apply to any MIDI keyboard. Connect your MIDI controller to one of the USB ports on the back of the Maschine Plus. If you are connecting a keyboard via the MIDI port, simply connect the MIDI out port of your external MIDI controller to the MIDI in port on the back of the Maschine Plus with the MIDI cable. Now, on the Maschine Plus, press the Settings button and navigate to the MIDI tab. On the right screen, you should see an option named Input Devices. Using knob 5, turn to choose the device. In my case, it's the KOMPLETE KONTROL M32. This will enable incoming MIDI messages such as notes and CC from the M32 to the Maschine Plus. If you are using a third-party MIDI keyboard connected via the MIDI port, turn knob 5 to choose Maschine Plus MIDI 1. Over knob 6, the status should show that both inputs are set to on. So now if I go back to my Monarch sound, the M32 controls it. If you want to plug one or more devices and assign them to specific instruments loaded in Maschine Plus, or control multiple loaded instruments with one controller, the configuration in Maschine Plus is slightly different. First, connect your external MIDI controller to the Maschine Plus. In this case, I'm both using the M32 and the LXR02 by Sonic Potions and Erica Synths. I created another group that features some samples, and it will be controlled by the LXR02. Press the Settings button and navigate to the MIDI tab. Over knob 5, select the port you are using. In this case, I'm going to be using both the M32 and the Maschine Plus MIDI port. And make sure that they're both set to on, which is the case. Now we want to change the MIDI channels of each sound so that each track on my external sequencer can trigger them. To do so, first press Pad Mode. Make sure you are in the Sound Edit mode by pressing button 3. Then press the Channel MIDI button at the top left corner. In the input section, use the right arrow button to navigate to the MIDI section. Then you want to tap the pad of the sound you want to edit. So here I tap pad 13. Then using knob 2, I'm going to set it to MIDI channel 13. Then I'm going to tap pad 14 and set it to channel 14. Tap pad 15 and set it to channel 15. And so on and so forth. So now if I press play on the LXR02, it is indeed controlling the sounds on the Maschine Plus. Now I'm going to do the same thing for the M32. I'm going to make sure that it's set up to respond to the KOMPLETE KONTROL M32. And it's set to MIDI channel 1. And so now if I play the M32, it is controlling the first sound in Group A. This was Laz at Native Instruments. I hope this video was informative. Stay tuned for more.